In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Airbnb app. Before we dive in, a quick note for clarity. On Airbnb, what most people think of as deleting a message is typically handled by archiving the conversation. Archiving removes it from your main inbox view without permanently erasing the history. This helps keep your inbox tidy while preserving important details for safety and support. With that in mind, here's how to clean up your messages. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone, or if you prefer a computer, go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for hosting or traveling. If you haven't logged in recently, you may be asked to verify your identity before continuing. Once you're in, head to Messages. On mobile, you'll find Messages on the bottom navigation bar. On the website, look for Messages at the top of the page or in the sidebar near your profile area. This is where all your conversations with guests, host, and support are organized. Next, open the conversation you want to remove from your main inbox. Tap or click it to view the thread. Take a moment to confirm it's the right conversation, especially if you have multiple threads with the same guest or host. Now look for the More Options menu. This usually appears as three dots. On mobile, it's typically in the top right corner of the conversation screen. On the website, you may see the three dots near the conversation header or alongside the participant's name. Select that menu to reveal more actions for the thread. Choose Archive if you see it. When you archive a conversation, it moves out of your primary inbox, so you won't see it in your everyday message list. The conversation isn't permanently deleted, but it's neatly tucked away, so your inbox stays focused on active trips and current inquiries. If you don't see Archive, the option may be labeled slightly differently depending on your device or recent updates. In some cases, Airbnb may limit options when there's an active reservation or an open case associated with the conversation. Updating the app can also help surface the latest menu labels. That's all there is to it. Open Airbnb, log in, go to Messages, open the conversation, tap the three dots, and select Archive. It's a quick way to keep your inbox organized while preserving the information you might need later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Airbnb messages with confidence.